Let's replace a cabin air filter on a 2015 Toyota Corolla. Go to your glove box, open it up, and you want to squeeze on both sides here to release the glove box, like so. And this piece right here is normally attached right there, so you just want to unhook that. Now you have access to your air filter. It's behind this door right here. This is the replacement cabin air filter. Just take out the old one. Yep, that's pretty nasty. There's some odor in this car, so hopefully after removing this, I'll take care of it. Here's the new filter, just slide it in. Put the cover back on. And you're all done. Well, put the glove box back together. Just make sure it's clipped in at the bottom. Hook this back, like that, and then just push it back. There you go, you're all done. Now to finish off and really kill the odor in here, I would recommend using an odor bomb, turning on the AC and letting it circulate through the car. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.